In this video, we will show you how to replace your PCV valve on this Lincoln Navigator. This will be located on the passenger side valve cover. Let's get started. Let's make our way right over to the passenger side valve cover, and we're going to locate this 90-degree angled hose. Grab onto that and give it a little wiggle, removing it from the PCV valve. Once you have it off of there, it's important to give it a little squeeze. Make sure it's soft and pliable, and it's not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. Assuming that looks good, set that aside. Once you have that out of the way, reach down here and remove the coolant tube from around the PCV valve. Just give that a quick inspection and set that aside as well. At this point, the PCV valve is exposed. Grab onto it, pull it out of the valve cover. For this, I'll use some long nose pliers. Typically, you can just grab it by hand, give it a little twist, and pull it up and out of there. There it is, friends. With that PCV valve out of there, have a look at the area on the valve cover where the brand new PCV valve will go. Give that a close inspection. Make sure it's not damaged in any way. Assuming it looks good, we can continue on with the installation of our brand new PCV valve. Let's put the wider end down and into the valve cover. Once you have that bottomed out in place, continue on to putting the coolant tube around the PCV valve. With that around there, we'll continue on to our rubber hose. Press that down as far as you can. Make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we fully installed our PCV valve. At this point, hop inside the passenger compartment and start up the vehicle. Make sure it runs fine with no misfires and no check engine light. After that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.